Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, no trade signals, not selling indicators because it's just my trade journal. And what we've got today is price action order flow levels for Wednesday, June 28th. And it's a big day. This is institutional book squaring, T+2, month, quarter, and mid-year close, because T+2 is trade plus 2 days. So that's why all of these milestones happen right now on Wednesday, the 28th. It's the last technical day to have major money square their books before July. So this is the last day of June, technically, because of settlement. So what that means is, translation into English, the algo may be not working correctly because of manual intervention. So I'm going to be very careful about any trades taken today. And basically, I'm going to go over the charts, talk about how this basically already started in yesterday's afternoon. What we've got prior day is 53.5 handle point range. 3-day average is 44.25 handle point range, and the current Europe Globex point handle range is 9.25 handles. So let's get to the charts. We'll identify some price action, imbalances, draws on liquidity, and order flow levels. Let's get to it. So here we are with the 24-hour chart, and what we did yesterday with this green candle right here is recover finally the volume weighted average price. The candle wick pierced it, so we hadn't touched that price since June 20th of last week. So the 27th, we recovered that finally. And note on these EMA, exponential moving averages, how price did not violate the 18. It did for sure on the 9, but now we're above the 9, we're above the 18, and the middle Bollinger Band right here has not been tagged and it's not been punctured. So technically on the 24-hour chart, from an institutional order flow big picture, this is still bullish. It's not bearish yet, and basically we still have gaps that I've identified in previous videos above. Right here, these rectangles in light red, volume imbalance. So we could go back to 44.32 in July, 44.50. But like I mentioned in the intro, right now we just have to get through the end of the quarter, end of the month, and basically midpoint, halftime point for the year. Let's go to the next chart. 15-minute chart. So we're on a lower time frame, and we want to look at this expansion from yesterday. So here we are. We had the silver bullet 10 to 11 a.m. and then this 11:15 15-minute candle just breaks through the new week open gap here, this yellow rectangle. We blow through it, and we go all the way up, and we tag right here the high in the session PM of 44.24 and 50, 44.24.50. So here we are in the Globex. We've just had a few hours in the London raid, and we had 4407.25 on that London raid special focus area, and the high was 44.1475. So bottom line, we've held the gains. That's the expansion gains. And I don't know that we would visit the lows on a retracement for Wednesday in the RTH. I just have to see. But some notes here. The lunch low comes in 43.97. And below that, the new week open gap. I'm not sure we can do that. But let's just take a look here. The buy side liquidity above is going to be above 44.25, and sell side liquidity, if we switch to the regular trade session here, let's go see where that would be. Regular trade session is going to be basically way down here into the open, 43.79, maybe 43.75. So lows are way below here. In fact, we're looking at the 43.69, and I just don't see this happening. So again, this is taking out all the electronic trading and just looking at where is liquidity above or below. And we've got a lot of liquidity above with these gaps versus we've already played around on the lower level with the daily fair value gap. We repriced it. We are not really looking to go below here, but if we did go lower, this would be the major low right here, 43.71 by 68.50. So I'm not anticipating we go lower, but I'm tape reading. I don't have live money in. I'm totally flat with dry powder right now, and I'm fine with not taking a trade on Wednesday. And by the way, Powell is on the slate to talk today on top of everything plus T+2. Let's go to the Renko. Okay, my old friend, the Renko chart, non-time-based chart. We've got Keltners, we've got Hamba, we got Renko bars, and this was what we just went over this PM session in the afternoon where we rammed, jammed, and camped. So ramp, camp, upper blue Keltner, we ramped up to it, we held it, we camped out, and here we are in the new day session, Wednesday. It's red, but it's not going anywhere. It's just staying here, and this area zone right here in the red, that would be, you'd think, a mid zone for a retracement, and it's just below 4,400 at 43.98.5, but it's just not doing it. And notice how all the Keltners are tilted up. The lower blue comes in at 43.75. The upper blue is 44.22. I think we could easily go back there. No predictions here. I'm just saying I don't like this formation. I don't think this is a trade. The trade for me is cash, and that's where I stay. So again, I appreciate everybody watching. Shout out to the subscribers. You guys are awesome. Guys and gals, thank you so much for your subscription. And for those on the fence, please help the channel. Your subscription really helps. Take care. Aloha. Bye.